Friendship isn't about how long you've known someone. It's about the bond you share, the trust you build, and the moments you create together. True friends are those who stand by you in tough times, celebrate your successes, and accept you for who you are. It's the quality of connection, not the quantity of time, that defines a real friendship. Cherish those who make your heart feel at home, no matter how long they've been in your life.